Hollywood VFX behind-the-scenes videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now, and these are genuinely some of the most fascinating and satisfying pieces of content you will ever watch. And look at this Instagram page, 1.4 million followers, built purely by posting this one exact style of content. Almost every other video is sitting at 20 and 30 million views consistently, and what I have seen is literally unbelievable. Their top 3 videos are sitting at 801 million, 132 million, and 99 million views. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes.
Ready in 3, 2, 1. That was incredible!
No time wasted. Here's exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Head straight to the description below and open the detailed prompt I have already written for you. Copy the full prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will present you with a selection of exciting filming locations to choose from. Go through them and pick the one that feels the most cinematic and visually dramatic. You can also enter any completely custom location or crash scene concept you already have in mind. But right now, I am going with one of the provided options. I am entering its number and hitting enter. ChatGPT will instantly produce a fully detailed video prompt covering every single shot for every scene of your BTS video. Copy the entire prompt from start to finish without missing anything. Now, head straight over to Google Flow. Select the video option. From the top, choose Omni Flash as your video model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the full prompt directly into the field and hit generate. And in just a few seconds, your viral Hollywood VFX behind-the-scenes video will be completely finished and ready to post. Now, let's watch the full result together.
We are rolling. 3, 2, 1. Action!
So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.